Hello guys and welcome back for another tutorial. Today I will show you how to free up the disk space that is used by Lightroom on your computer. And actually it's very simple. You just have to clear the cache by going to edit here, edit button in the top, and then go to preferences. After that, in the general here, so you find the count, cache, etc. Just go to cache, and then here we find the cache size limit. So if you are running Lightroom and it's lagging or it's just going very slow, just up the cache size limit, put it at 25 for example, or 50. But if there are a lot of cache files, then just go and clear cache and you'll be good. So that's it. Basically, you can also delete the smart previews locally, so you will find it in the file that you have downloaded Lightroom in, so either in the SSD or the hard disk where you downloaded Lightroom, you will find the smart previews. And that's it guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe if it helped you.